Okay, everybody, today I'm going to show you my sketchbook. For the past few years, meaning a lot of years, I've been sketching in this book. So it's come to get over. It's going to end. It is almost about to end. There are only two whips in here. One that I'm going to finish definitely, another one that I've been procrastinating. But whatever, now I'm going to show you the sketchbook and how it is. And it's been a while since I've done a long video. So this is it. Okay. Okay, so let's begin with the video. So first we have, sorry, glitch. Okay, first we have Gojo. I drew this long time ago. Then Christmas special. I guess this was in, I don't even remember. This is not mine. This came when I got the book. Here, this is mine. Okay, cool, right? Next, oh, here, these guys, these guys. Okay, we have these people here. This is a painting actually, if you can see. Yep, these guys. Boom. This is actually like this. We can also see it like this. Now, the reason why I had this thing over here is because, get ready for the reveal. One, two, three. Taylor Swift. Yep. Since I drew both of these on the same page, I had to put a partition so that it basically so that the color doesn't transfer from this end to this end and just doesn't smudge everything. So I just kept this thing over here, right here. Basically to protect the drawing and nothing else. Okay, so yep. Again, Taylor Swift, and if you can see, I actually use glitter on her, therefore it's glittering. Glittering. I really took a lot of efforts into this one, guys, because it's Taylor Swift, man. Now she's married also. So yay! Let's continue. This was a huge drawing. I really like this, what I did here. Rest all is fine, I guess. How do y'all like it? Next, these guys here. Kuro, my favorite. These stupid people right here. This is also a huge drawing. Took me a while to complete this. The best K drama ever. Jinx, Jinx, Jinx. Again, Taylor Swift, TTPD, and this dude. Ooh, we got a moment going on here, another moment going on over here. If you have noticed my drawings, I don't really invest a lot in drawing backgrounds, but here I have done it. This took me a lot of patience and a lot of effort. It's like I can draw a character. The fact that whenever I draw a background, you must automatically understand that I've taken a lot of effort in it. Though it is kiddish and all, because I'm really not a background person. I don't really do basically take a lot of effort into drawing backgrounds. But the fact that I have done it here is like I've really put my heart and soul into it. Otherwise, you see my drawings is just the main character and the background is always blank. So you have really taken effort. Cool, right? I actually should have drawn something over here because there's enough place, but I'm like, uh, it's fine. Imagine such a chotu drawing for such a huge space. This was a part of a reel actually, but I ended up just coloring him and he became a drawing. This is the whip that I've been procrastinating. I really don't like the way he has turned out to be. I don't know when I'll find the motivation to complete this, but hopefully someday. Right now, I don't think so. I'm in the mood of completing him. It's just something is just off about this part, about his hands, and he's. I'm just not feeling motivated to complete this one. This one, cool, right? The details also are nice. This is anatomy at its peak. Anatomy peaked right here. Just look at him. I actually wanted to draw a head for him. I literally put a lot of efforts. If you can see, I don't think so you can, but this whole part, this whole thing is literally khatar matar types. It's all gone because I literally put so much effort into drawing a head for him, but I could never find the proportions to be right. If I just erased it and just kept the body as it is. I'm like, I don't want to ruin it by drawing a head. So I just kept it as it is. Cool, right? If you say this is uncool, I don't know what you're saying, but this is where my anatomy skills peaked, okay? It's almost coming to an end right now. Okay. Here, this is my latest drawing. I'm not posted yet on Instagram. I will soon. You can go out and check out. You can go and check it out. Check him out on Instagram then later. Kuro, of course. Calling me, of course. Everywhere I've put my initials, sneak peeked them in. Here. It's like you have to watermark your drawing, otherwise AI will rob it or and somebody else will rob it. So yeah. And basically that's it. This one is the latest one I'm trying to complete. This one will definitely get completed. That whip will not get completed, but this one will sure shot get completed. Okay. It's just yep. And that's basically it. That's it. Last page I remember what I had done once. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching, I guess. Bye.